So I've had this chair since February 5th, and I'm not joking when I say this. This is probably my favorite chair I've ever owned. I don't know about you guys, but I've had kind of a love-hate relationship with this office because of the chair I used to sit on. It's actually just right there, this chair here. There's nothing particularly wrong with it. I mean, there's so much cat hair on it because one of my cats loves to sleep on this. I do need to actually throw this away. That chair was always just fine. Like, it was comfortable, but it wasn't like extremely comfortable. Give me a few hours and I would want to get off that chair at some point. But with this chair, I mean this genuinely, and it's not just because Libernovo is partnering with me on this video. In fact, I've been able to try out this chair since February 2nd, like almost a month ago before even creating this. And I can say with full confidence, this is the most comfortable chair ever. And I actually look forward to coming into this office and sitting here. Like, it's made a huge freaking difference. So yeah, this chair is the real freaking deal. I'm gonna walk you through the unboxing and setup of it, the design and all the available adjustments, and how all of that comes together to create a sitting experience that I genuinely enjoy every day. So I got this new desk chair that I'm really excited about. It's from a company called Libernovo. I actually don't know too much about it yet. It actually just came in the mail and I'll just show you. This thing is huge. So the unboxing experience was actually very simple. Everything inside this box was neatly organized and packaged, so I really do appreciate that. The only caveat was that this box was extremely heavy, so I grabbed one item at a time and brought it all the way up the multiple flights of stairs to my office. So I went with the green color because I have this really nice green rug that grounds the space. There's like woods and blacks and walnuts all around the room as well. It was a bit risky, to be honest, to order this color, but just looking at it now and how I'm imagining it's gonna look in the room, I'm pretty happy I went with the color because the alternative was white. And my whole house is white walls, so I just wanted something different. In terms of the actual assembly process, it was pretty straightforward when you lay everything out, and everything just sort of assembled like it was Lego. I had zero issues assembling this. It was relatively quick to build, and it even came with its own screw driving tool that you need to put in all the screws, which is something that you don't see often, so I do appreciate that. And fun fact, this chair actually runs on a battery, which we'll get into later in the video. Okay, so the chair is assembled. Let's see, like, first impressions. Jeez, oh my, this like, whoa, this is really comfortable. It like feels so, it like hugs your back in a way that I'm not used to. Oh yeah, that is definitely the massager on the back. It's like kind of pulsing up and down around your like lower back. That's so cool. It's so smooth too, to kind of go back and forth. Like, it just feels great. I'm gonna spend a lot more time with this chair for the next while and we'll circle. Yeah, I definitely spent a lot more time with this chair, about a month if I'm gonna be exact. And one of the first things I noticed right away was the material choices they chose were excellent. The fabric on the backrest and seat have this like soft suede-like finish that feels really rich when you lean back on it. It's a performance fabric too, so it is designed to hold up against things like pilling and abrasions over time. I do have cats and they've surprisingly have shown zero interest in destroying this chair. The neck support deserves a mention as well. It uses what Libernovo calls a hydrophilic sponge. It's basically a memory foam that gently wraps around your neck as you lean back. Yeah, so like when you lean back and forth, you can feel the neck rest like track with your head. Like, it feels incredible. The best way to describe it is that your neck is like fully supported the whole way up, the whole way down. Like, it doesn't lose contact with your head, which is nice. And finally, visually, this chair just looks impressive, guys. It looks expensive. You can clearly see the dual connection points, the flexible panels and pivot points along the back. And it just gives you the sense that this thing is genuinely built to support your body and not just look ergonomic on paper. Okay, so now let's get to the fun stuff. It's gonna be about how this chair adjusts and like works with you and why that stuff matters and how it impacts the way that I work. To get the basic stuff out of the way, we do have a knob here where I'm able to kind of go up and down like a regular seat. The coolest thing by far though is the recline positions, because in each position that you go in, there's 4, your back is supported in all of them and you can get into some pretty cozy positions and still work. The one that I'm in right now, this is your standard position. It's 105 degrees. I kind of like to sit and work like this when I'm just getting in the zone and I'm starting my work day. But as time goes on, sometimes I want to get more comfortable. So there's this little knob here under the chair where you can kind of rotate it like that, and each stopping point is a position. So to see that visually, again, this is 105 degrees. But when my day goes later and I want to get a little bit more comfortable, I can go down to 120 right here. I can move my seat in and really get into like a nice relaxed position, lean back with my head on the neck rest. I can get even more comfortable going all the way down to 135 degrees, and then I can literally sit and work like this for hours, guys. I've genuinely done this and it feels incredible. I think for me, this is the position that really sold me on this chair. I never in my life imagined I could sit like this and be this comfortable in a chair and have no back pain. Like, it's pretty incredible. And then finally, we can go to 160 degrees. If I turn the knob there at the bottom, I'm gonna grab the camera and we can lean all the way back and it's gonna feel great. I actually do use this position a lot when I wanna just take a break from work and just sort of rest, but I don't wanna leave my office, if that makes sense. Sometimes I'll put on some earbuds and listen to a meditation while I'm in this position, and then activate the massage mode. There is a little button that you press here that actually activates a 5-minute massage on your lumbar spine. Without getting too technical about it, it's basically stretching your lower back up and down by applying like a gentle pressure on it, and it feels great. Like, I genuinely feel like tension going off my back when I do use this. If you take a look below there, you can actually see like the electric mechanism pushing into my lower back here. And it actually goes like pretty far into it. Like, you do genuinely feel a tension relief, and then it relieves that pressure and it kind of just cycles through that for 5 minutes. Like, it's quite nice. I do recommend you get the footrest, which is what my feet are resting on here, because that's how you get the most out of this position, in my opinion. Like, if you look, if I didn't have that, this does work. You still get a nice massage in this position, but I'm telling you guys, this, if I can get the footrest, this footrest here really seals the deal. There is actually 2 levels to the footrest, so I do like usually keep my foot on the bottom here when I'm just working at the desk. Then obviously if I'm kicking back to relax, I'll put both feet up there, and then you get that nice cozy position. On top of getting that massage feature, the actual lumbar support is fully electronic as well. You use these buttons to adjust where you want the lumbar support to be. You should see the lumbar just moving on its own. I'm just clicking the buttons here to adjust it, and it does it all electronically, and it's so simple and so effortless. And this is all possible because you have a little battery here that goes inside the chair. This is USB-C rechargeable, so you can just plug it into a USB-C port to charge it when it dies. The battery lasts about 30 days on a single charge, and it's also worth noting that you don't actually need this battery inside for any other part of the adjustments of this chair to work. This is only applicable to what they call the ErgoPulse motor system. So that's like the lumbar stuff that we talked about, the massage, the buttons that you press on the side to adjust where the lumbar support is. That's what you need plugged in or slotted in for all that to work and the battery to be charged. But everything else works just fine. And there actually are some other adjustments I haven't even shown you yet. So the other adjustments you get is actually the armrests, and they're more unique than they look. So not only can you go in and out, not only can you also adjust the height of them, but you can also push them inward and push them outward depending on how like narrow or wide you want your arms to be. It does require a little bit of force to do it, but you do kind of want that so that way it doesn't like move around so much. Just so you can see it at a different angle, you can go that way, in, out, so you can kind of see visually what's actually going on there. My favorite part though, which might be hard to show visually, is whenever you lean back and your arms are resting, the armrests actually track with your arms. So I don't need to actually really mess with this. This will get to the right position at no matter what like incline I'm in. It's this whole like effortless adjustment that you get with this chair that I really like, because everything just sort of moves automatically. So yeah, that is why I love the Libernovo chair. It just feels like something that is working with you, like no matter what incline position I want to go into, the chair is doing all the adjustments necessary to keep me comfortable at all times. I've never had a chair like that, albeit I've never had like a premium chair before, but a lot of the times it's because I didn't want to spend like thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to get a nice chair. Like these are very competitively priced. If I'm not mistaken, they're at least 50 to 60% cheaper than some of the more expensive brands that you would be aware of. Yet you get extreme comfort in something so unique and something unlike anything that is out there on the market right now. I highly recommend the Libernovo Omni Chair. It is freaking awesome, guys. There will be a link in the description down below for you guys to purchase one today. Again, thank you Libernovo for partnering and sponsoring this video. I would not make this video, guys, if I didn't love this chair. I've had it for a month. So take that for what you will. This is completely a genuine affinity for it. And I think anybody that buys this with my link down below, you're not going to be disappointed. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch all of you guys in the next one. Peace.